read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamualaikum. Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. My dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, it's fun time. First of all, why are you looking towards my hands?
2 pointers.
Count it with me. 1, 2. Yes, 2 pointers. And how many cells are there? 1, 2. So, our today's task is count, identify, write number 2. First of all, how many pointers are there? 1 and 2. 2 blue pointers. How many cells are there? 1, 2. 2 cells. Now, look over here. Start from the dot, make a cap, come slant down, make sleeping line. It will make number 2. How many eyes do I have?
2 eyes.
2 eyes. Very good. Here are 2 ducks. T, W, O, 2. T, W, O, 2. 2 ducks. Start from the dot, make a cap, come slant down, make sleeping line. It will make number 2. How many hands do we have? We have 2 hands. Now, it's riddle time. Tell me one thing. I am a number that looks like a swan. I am a number that looks like a swan. I am number 2. Yes. Good, mashallah. Okay, it's time. For what? Story time. Are you ready? Very good. Let's start. 2 ducks were in the water. They swam side by side. They were happy and calm. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.